friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. If you're new here, welcome, and if you love what you see today, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that notification button. But today I am delighted to be participating in the 2020 Fall Goodwill Challenge. It's hosted every season by Hillary of Old World Home. She has done this for years and I'm a veteran participant. If you don't know about the challenge, you take $5 and spend it thrifting, buy a decor item, a craft upcycle piece, whatever you want to do with $5. Well, today I actually have spent $0 because I just pulled from my craft stash. I haven't been able to thrift as much as I would love to, and I just went and dug through some stuff I had, and I'm gonna make something super cute. Okay friends, I'm here on my kitchen counter, and this is where I do most of my crafting just because the lighting is better. So here's what I come up with. A couple years ago I found this little box of metal snack trays. I love the shape of them. I got 4 in the box. Just thought they would be perfect to redo whenever I found the perfect time. And today's the day. To speed up process, this morning I went ahead and painted one red and one white because I'm going to redo one of them in Halloween theme and do one of them in Christmas theme. When I spray painted it, I didn't worry about the deer because that's going to be covered up. I mainly was concerned about the outer edge. Now the Halloween one I'm going to trace on this spider web paper. The Christmas one I'm going to trace on the little red plaid paper. Now the good thing about the craft stores is you can buy just one sheet at a time. You don't have to go buy the big $10 Halloween book. This paper is only about 2 or 3 for $1, so it's super cheap to buy one page at a time. I'm just going to take my pencil and trace it, and then I'll have paper that will fit perfectly in the bottom of each tray. And I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to do a coat under and over the scrapbook paper and adhere it to the bottom of the trays. All right, while my Mod Podge paper is drying in my trays, I'm going to go ahead and work on my Halloween embellishments. I went and just printed out the word Eek. This is the skinny font. It kind of resembles Ray Dunn, and I like that font. I'm going to put a piece of orange cardstock underneath, and I'm going to hold both pieces of paper together and just cut out the letters like that. This will give me the big enough letters that I need for my tray. Now I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the spider web paper. I'm going to put some Mod Podge over and under the letters, and it will seal them nicely on the bottom of the tray. And then I also made a little exclamation point. Now I'm going to do some little spiders hanging off of the tray. I got 3 black pom-poms and 3 black pipe cleaners. I'm going to cut these pipe cleaners into 8 pieces and glue 8 legs onto the pom-pom ball. That's super simple. I don't think it's anything you need to see me do, but super simple way to make some little spiders. Or if you had some little plastic spiders or something like that, would be just as good. I just want to show you here that I bent the legs down a little bit, kind of L-shaped, and they just make the cutest little fuzzy spiders. All right, I'm going to hot glue these spiders around the tray. Now to make my hanger, I'm going to take this crocodile. This is a handy little crafty tool that will punch through leather and metal and things like that. I'm going to take this and punch 2 holes right through there. My hanger is just going to be another black pipe cleaner, and I put 6 white beads on there. I started to just use some black ribbon, but I think this will be fine. So I'm going to attach my hanger, hot glue my spiders on there, and that one will be done. Okay. Now for my Christmas one, this is just like having a blank canvas. I dug through some of my Christmas ornaments because a lot of the stores now don't quite have their Christmas ornaments yet. I found this Santa head, and if I cut the string off, I think that would be so cute like that. Or if you could find 2 coordinating ornaments and have you a couple different trays hanging. But I also found this white stag from the Dollar Tree, and you know, they usually repeat their ornaments, so you could probably find this as soon as they get their Christmas stuff out. But I took a sprig of this greenery and kind of make a wreath and then put this stag in the center of it. I'm just going to make a beaded hanger using some beads that I had thrifted. Let me get these 2 trays finished and I'll show you the makeover. Alright friends, I've got my little trays finished now, and like I said earlier, these little trays are just like blank canvases. There's a million and one things you could do to finish it out, especially using scrapbook paper and all the cute little ornaments they have now, even for Halloween. You can use the hanger or you can put them on a little easels like this. Just so cute to sit around anywhere. So I hope you enjoyed this little project. I'm looking forward to finding a place to put these 2 little trays in October and December. Be sure and check out the other participants, and thank you so much for watching. I'll be back next week. Bye-bye.